Anker's audio brand Soundcore is set to release its new pair of true wireless earbuds in the Spirit Dot 2s. And in this video, we're going to go over my first impressions about these new earbuds from Soundcore. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications whenever we share a video. The Soundcore Spirit Dot 2s are true wireless earbuds that look and feel just kind of a lot like traditional true wireless earbuds these days. A stemless design that's meant to just be concealed inside the ear, and for me, in order to get that best fit, I use the medium ear tips that come pre-installed right out of the box. But the Dot 2s actually give users up to 5 different sizes to choose from. So you can get an extra small tip, small, medium, large, and extra large. So this should, in theory, cover just about anyone out there looking to pick these headphones up. As far as fit and comfort goes, these feel a lot like those other earbuds that I mentioned before that are designed just like this, i.e. the Samsung Galaxy Buds, Jabra Elite, Pixel Buds, etc. So when you're inserting these into your ear, you kind of have to mess around with it in order to get that right fit and to get that proper seal. At least that's what I have to do. So I found that when I stick the earbud inside of my ear, a slight twist or turn usually does the trick. Unfortunately, I find this style of earbuds kind of uncomfortable as time goes on. Now that's pretty common with just about every set of in-ear headphones, but these tend to give me ear fatigue a lot faster than some of the others that I've tested in the past. The surface of each earbud does offer gesture controls, but it's different depending on which earbud you're tapping. For example, the right earbud can play pause with a double tap, and the left earbud is the only one that can skip tracks forward with a double tap. A long press on either earbud brings up Siri, and one thing that's interesting here is that you can't skip backwards on tracks, only forward. There's also no volume controls, at least in terms of a button or a gesture, which is also kind of a bummer. As far as pairing goes, you'll need to take the earbuds out of their charging case and then pair using traditional Bluetooth methods by going into the settings menu and just clicking on the name of the Spirit Dot 2s in the Bluetooth settings menu. Now, speaking of that charging case, it's only capable of offering an additional 16 hours of playback time to the earbud's already 5.5 hours of playback time, which is a little under the standard of kind of like 24 hours of what you'd get from most normal cases. And the case also charges via USB-C and does offer users a quick charge feature for the earbuds, giving you about 1 hour of playback time with only 10 minutes of charging inside of the case. The Spirit Dot 2s are also IPX7 water and sweat resistant and could be a perfect companion for those planning to use these during workouts, as they provide a nice snug fit and you won't have to worry about some light water or sweat ruining these earbuds. And finally, in terms of sound quality, the Soundcore Spirit Dot 2s are actually capable of delivering some booming sound. I use boom as my adjective of choice here, mostly for the amount of bass that you're getting. It's definitely booming. Soundcore does plenty in advertising the fact that these earbuds might look tiny, but have massive sound packed in, and that is an accurate statement. I was actually very surprised at how much low end you do get with these. Now for me personally, I think it's a bit too much. I think at times it can overpower the rest of the mids and the highs, and it just offers a slightly unbalanced sound profile. But again, it's all just personal opinions. I love me some bass when necessary, but I felt like the Spirit Dot 2s were pumping in just more than what was actually required for the type of music that I was listening to. I did test these earbuds out on music that would thrive with this much thumping bass, and yeah, it's actually really great. In fact, I just had to turn the volume down quite a bit because it was starting to give me a headache, and after hearing me say that statement, I am officially an old person. But honestly, I think there are a lot of people out there who actively search for this type of sound profile, and well, I don't think these earbuds will disappoint you. I do wish there was support in the Soundcore app that would allow for some EQ adjustments, because then I think I could tweak it to find my personal preference, but unfortunately that's not currently supported at this moment in time. I think the appeal of these earbuds is the fit and massive bass that it can deliver. Other than that, there's not a whole lot that separates these earbuds from any other that I've tested in this style. That's not a bad thing. They do everything else very well. They're just not a lot of flashy features, and aside from their excellent fit, I mean, really, I've been hitting my ear and it just never once budged from my ear. And aside from that and the massive sound, I mean, that's really all you're getting. Best part is though, these headphones are going to go on sale for only $79. So that's incredible value for what they are able to offer consumers. If you love a lot of bass and you need something that's definitely going to fit your ears really well and be able to withstand some grueling workouts in the process, I think you'll love these Spirit Dot 2s. But of course, I would love to know your thoughts. Let me know what you think of these headphones in the comments down below. I know they're not on sale yet, so you might not have them in, but from my impressions, what do you think? Are you thinking about picking them up? The price point, honestly, for $79 seems great. So again, would love to know your thoughts down in the comments below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.